and the required tools are T20 torque and a trim tool. First, lift the bonnet and disconnect the negative terminal from the car battery using a 10mm socket. You can find the trim tool set like this in the video description below. So remove those two interior trims from the dash using a trim tool to protect the surfaces. Then remove the plastic frame from the instrument cluster using a trim tool and starting from the right side. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Remove the plastic frame from the radio unit and disconnect the airbag warning lamp connector. Then remove the T20 torque screw. Remove also the T20 torque screw from the right side of the cluster of the instrument cluster. Remove the light switch, put it in the 0 position, then push it inside, then rotate it on auto position and then pull it out. And then disconnect the cables from the back. Remove those 3 T20 torque screws, starting with one from the inside of the light switch. Remove the plastic cover from the fuse box using a flat blade screwdriver and unscrew those two T20 torque bolts. Pull the steering wheel towards you and then pull it down to create more space to remove the instrument cluster. Pull the plastic out and then pull it down to have access at those two bolts from the instrument cluster. So here are those two T20 Torx bolts indicated with the red arrows. So remove those two T20 Torx screws from the instrument cluster. Remove the instrument cluster and disconnect the cables from the back. So to remove the harness from the back, just have to press on that small tab and then take that red plastic on up in the up position and then take it out. So here is the harness, so let's lock it, and to unlock it you just have to press on that small tab and then take that plastic, that red plastic up. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.